Hey guys, this is Joseph, ABC Sewing Machines. Today's video, we're going to show you how to thread your industrial sewing machine. This is, we're working on a DDL5550N. This is a Juki single needle made in Japan. Pretty basic. This is like the foundation of, you should understand how to thread this machine, and with this information, you should be able to understand a lot more on some of the more different types or more advanced type of machines. Okay, so right here we have a brand new Juki DDL5550. You have two spools, two spool holders. Okay, the left one is going to be for your needle. The right one is going to be for your bobbin. Okay, so right now we're going to focus on the left one. We have our thread for the needle. It's going to go straight up, back to front into the first eyelet hole. Okay. And it's going to travel straight down. Now on the new style single needles, they have this little tensioner right here. Okay, so you have a hole on the bottom. It's going to go back to front on the hole in the bottom, and then it's going to swoop around and make sure you get it in between the two discs here. Okay, so we're going to open up the two discs and have it set right inside. Okay, if you do not have this, there's going to be an extra little hole back to front, or top back to front, and then back to front again. Okay, if you do not have this system. All right, then it's going to go into the eyelet right above the tension discs. Okay, it's going to go inside the top hole, right to left, and then same thing, swivel back around, right to left. Okay, from here it's going to go straight down into the tension dials. Most people, they assume that it has to go inside here. It does not have to go inside here when it goes into the tension disc. Okay. Now, one little trick is if your tension is so tight and you loop this around, you have to make sure that this thread goes inside the core, all the way in the middle of the tension discs. I see this this issue pretty often, where the tension is so tight, the thread is just sitting on the rim of this disc. Okay. You have to make sure that it opens and it goes all the way to the center to make sure you have your true tension. Okay. If it is tight, what you can do is you can lift up the foot. When you lift up the foot, the tension releases from these discs, allowing you to slide it in nice and easy. Okay. And then you lift it, and then you lower the foot. Okay. From here, we have the take-up spring. This is that little coil spring that bounces up and down when we sew. After we go around, we're going to go up over this little spring. So every time I pull, I should see that spring bouncing up and down. From here, it's going to go underneath this little chrome finger. It's a little L bracket. This little chrome finger, we're going to go underneath. Okay. Then it's going to go up, and this is where we insert it into the guide. Okay. It just latches right on in, right to left. Okay. Once it's in the guide, we're going to thread it right to left through the take-up lever. Now, the take-up lever is the bar that goes up and down while we're sewing. So you'll see this bouncing up and down. Okay. So the main thing is, from here, when I pull, I should see I should feel nice firm tension with the foot down, and I should see this spring bouncing up and down. Okay. After the take-up lever, it's going to go inside the little guide, left to right. Just latch it inside. Okay. Then right down here, we have this little swivel type of holder. Okay, you can just move this freely. You want to make sure that it lines up, so the curve of this piece is kind of lined up center with your needle. Okay, so this, we're going to loop it right here from the right side, and I can see that it's nice and straight with my needle hole. Okay, if it's off to the side, you can just kind of twist it so it's kind of nice and straight. Okay, so once we have it looped through that little holder, it's going to go right inside, front to back, in this little eyelet above the needle before it goes into the needle. Just like that. We do a nice clean cut with some nippers. Okay, and on your needle, you want to make sure you have your needle in straight. There's two sides to the needle. Left side has this slit going straight down the middle of the needle, and on the right side it has this little dip. That dip is always facing the right side. Okay, so if I'm sitting in front of the machine, I should not be able to see any portion of the needle hole when I look straight at the needle. Okay, the dip is on the right side. It enters left to right. So we have a nice clean cut. Here, left to right. What I like to do is I like to hold this slack, because sometimes if you have a loose thread, it'll wrap around the needle. So I like to hold it and kind of guide it and make sure that it doesn't wrap around. Okay, so that is threading the needle on my industrial single needle machine. Whether it's a Juki, a Brother, a Kanso, it really doesn't matter because the threading is all going to be the same. Okay, now we'll focus on the bobbin. Okay, this is going to be our second spool. So I'm going to snap this over. I'm going to move my thread over to the second spool for my bobbin. Okay, same thing, back to front, inside the eyelet. Then it's going to come down towards the right side of the machine. On the right side of the machine, you're going to have this assembly right here. This whole assembly is my bobbin winder. Okay, it's going to go straight down. It's going to go into the eyelet from left to right. Into the eyelet, left to right. And then it's going to swoop around to the back side, in between the two discs. And same thing, we want to make sure it goes all the way to the inside, all the way into the core. If you have to open it by hand to make sure it goes inside. Okay. From here, we're going to insert our bobbin into the bobbin holder right there. We're going to pull straight back, and we're going to start from the bottom and then wind it about 10 times so we don't have to worry about it unraveling. Okay, the more you wind it, the better, so it'll engage right away. Okay, if we have excess thread, we could just snap that off. Okay, from here we're going to engage the bobbin winder, turn on the machine, and the good thing about this is you can run your machine with, you could keep on sewing and have an extra bobbin in here, so it's constantly winding as you're sewing, so it'll be ready to go once you finish. If not, let's say if you're finished with sewing but you forgot to load an extra bobbin, you want to take the thread out of your needle, you want to lift up the presser foot, and then engage the bobbin winder so you don't get any wrapped up threads around the hook, and the presser foot isn't damaging or butting up against the feed dog. Okay, so you want to take the thread out of your needle, lift up the foot, and then wind your bobbin if you're only winding it by itself without sewing. Okay, so that covered the top thread, threading our needle thread, as well as winding our own bobbin on your industrial single needle machine. Like I said, this will apply for most of the single needle brands out there because they kind of built them to be universal. So hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Take a look at our website, www.abcsewingmachine.com.